Hello, this is Dan Alford with Arc Specialties. We're going to post an older video we never put on YouTube, but it has a lot of features that might apply to your project. For example, what you see here is servo tooling. This thing is welding thin-walled aluminum tubes, and to accommodate lengths anything from 6 inches to 6 foot, we had to have the tailstock automatically position itself. So we're welding both ends of the tube simultaneously. And if you look underneath, there's a small loading robot that's actually going to grip that tube and then put it in the outfeed group. It's gripping now, tailstock's moving, headstock's moving, and the finished part is put in the outfeed. Now it moves over to the infeed and automatically loads a fresh tube. And if you look carefully on the end, there's a couple of leads which may be bent. And so we've designed a gripper such that it will automatically realign these leads and not bend them off. Now we're held between centers, and now we're going to weld the tube with both torches simultaneously. They come down, touch work to get the exact torch starting height, and then we weld with DC. Normally you would weld aluminum parts with AC for the cathodic cleaning, but if you have very clean parts, you can actually weld them with DC reverse polarity. That means DC electrode positive. What you're seeing here is the pulse welding. As we weld around the part, there's the finished weld, and then from here we go to a helium leak detect. Very critical part. So this is an example of the kind of things we can do for you. At Arc Specialties, we thrive on problems. Send us yours.